Hey guys, Caramel here, and if you've never heard of the term, life is what you make it, I'm happy to be the first to introduce you to it. You see, us as humans, we're very unique individuals in a sense of we can achieve anything we've ever wanted, but we can also lose everything we've ever had. The choice is really up to us. So why are some people able to achieve everything they've ever wanted so fast and others sometimes just come up a little bit short? Well, the answer is quite simple. The ones who are able to achieve a lot of the things that they want to do fast are the ones who are consistent, disciplined, and have clear goals. Now, for the ones who come up a little bit short, sometimes, not all the time, it's due to lack of consistency, discipline, and they don't have any goals. They just wake up and whatever they do during that day happens. And for me, I was always curious as to why it took me 3 YouTube accounts before I saw any success over 100 subscribers. And it's relatively simple, the reason why, and that's because number 1, I hadn't found my audience. Number 2, I wasn't consistent. Now, these are huge when it comes to just everyday life. You see, for me, I've always been one who wants instant gratification. And if I didn't get instant gratification, I would sometimes quit what I was doing. Now, as time went on, I realized that's not what life is about. Life isn't about instant gratification. Life is about taking baby steps to get to where you want to be, whether that be failure along the way or many successes along the way. But I realized that was the one reason why I wasn't able to be successful at YouTube yet. So before, I used to post a lot of vending machine videos on this channel. So going forward, I'll be posting a lot of self-development and personal finance videos. I feel like in today's day and age, these are very important topics and I want to stay consistent and on top of these things. So again, if you follow me or you're subscribed or you even like the video, I can't tell you how much I appreciate it. I'm getting started again for the 4th time, but I promise you this time will be a success. I just have to stay consistent.